How to make object rotation loop animation. First, click on your object. Now make sure you are on the first frame, in the timeline at the bottom. You can also use this button to jump to the first frame. Now go to the Object tab. And make sure the Z rotation axis is set to 0. Now click the Animate Property button next to the lock icon. Then in the timeline, click this button to go to the last frame. Then go back to the Object tab and change the Z rotation axis to 360. And click the Animate Property button again. Now if we click space to play the animation, you will see your object rotating. But notice how it slows down and stops at the end? I personally don't like that, so we will make it a loop animation. So make sure your object is selected and right-click the timeline. Then go to Interpolation mode. Then click on Linear. Now it should rotate in a loop animation.